As a professional construction machinery supplier, Shandong Luyu International Trade Company Limited concentrates on product development and design, quality control and inspection, sales and after-sales services, as well as company operation. In order to provide satisfactory products and services, we have established an outstanding team with an average of over 15 years of experience in the industry. Through the great efforts of our team and cooperation with professional manufacturers, Luyu has a wide product range in wheel loaders, wheel excavators, crawler excavators, self-loading mixer truck, backhoe loaders, telescopic wheel loaders, forklift, and tractors. In order to meet the market demand, Luyu has developed 100 types of products and kinds of supporting accessories, which are widely used in agriculture and farming, landscaping, construction and mining, logistic and stocking. Our cooperative factory is one of the first batch of factories focusing on intelligent production. We have introduced and established advanced laser cutting, robot welding, German dust-free painting, and automatic assembly lines. The daily production capacity can reach 300 units to ensure rapid delivery. Luyu participates in overseas construction machinery exhibitions every year. Our main markets include Southeast Asia, Europe, Australia, South America, North America, and Africa.